Hi, my name is Claire Maxwell at Embodied Learning Systems. I'm here today to talk about a really boring topic, but a really important topic, which is burnout prevention. Why? Well, many of my clients are in the helping professions. They're teachers, they're therapists and counselors, and they really love what they do, and they give so much to what they do, and what they do is so needed right now. And yet, no one wants to admit how high burnout really is. The statistics are shocking. Before COVID, they were at 61%. And you know, the antidote, we all know, is self-care. But I was talking to a colleague the other day who's a longtime therapist, and when I said the term self-care, he said, just hearing that makes me want to vomit because it seems so inadequate. And there's so much marketing around self-care, you know, a lot of external stuff, more stuff to do, more stuff to buy. And I don't really think that there are many things that are good for you, going to the gym, getting a pedicure, stuff like that. But I don't think that the lack of those things is what's causing burnout. I think it's something more fundamental. The number of people needing therapists is on the rise and needing help. So people are overwhelmed with large client loads. The sessions are getting shorter. Everybody's working online. Everything's getting compressed. And we lose track of our bodies. Lots of us have plenty of training in embodiment, frameworks for embodiment. We use them in our practice. But there's a more fundamental training, which is part of the Alexander technique, which has to do with being able to stay in touch with your own body while you're relating to others. Just to feel the pleasure of your own body while you're relating to others. And this fundamental skill is what I teach in my workshops. So an example, if you want an example, would be just to feel the air coming in your nose right now while you're listening to me. And if you want to follow some of the other videos that I've done, you can look on the channel. There's plenty of simple, pretty quick exercises. It just takes a little bit more time to learn them. But right now, if you're suffering, I really want to encourage you to come to this supportive workshop where you can build some of these prequel skills. Heavy pedagogical systems, long trainings, they can just overwhelm us. They demand so much. And this workshop is designed to give you actual practices, time to practice them, first with yourself, then with others, and show up at work on Monday being able to share them with your clients. It's going to slow you down a little bit, but less can be more. When the work that we do is relational, including our bodies, is absolutely fundamental. So I hope you'll check it out. This workshop is the first 4 cranial nerves, April 1st and 2nd, 11 to 2 in the afternoon, both days. And you get also a private session with me after the workshop to bring up any questions and help you integrate it into your unique practice. Okay? Peace and love. I really hope you'll come.